Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma nge-homecoming. Well guys, ngizokhumbula ukuthi ke kube kushube kanjani ke last week njengoba ke uzethu decide ukuthi ke anyamalale angaziwa ke ukuthi ke ushonephi. Kuleli week guys sizoqala izimo ke zizokangathi ziba ngcono ke lapha kuSifiso, njengoba ezofona afonele ke uzethu amthole bese yamtshela kuzethu ukuthi kahle kwenzekalani, and uSifiso will confront uMamkwanyane. uMamkwanyane guys, she is in trouble because even inese lalikade lemsiza lithe nje yey ungayiphathi indaba ukuthi mina I was involved because I can lose my license ngaleyo nto. So guys, uMamkwanyane is all alone, and asazi noma guys uSifiso uzokwazi yini ukuthi ke understand where was Mamkwanyane coming from, uzokwazi futhi ukuthi ke amxolele. On the other side guys, ngizokhumbula ukuthi uSiphamandla has been doing some research checking ukuthi ubani ke ubaba wakhe, engazi ukuthi ke ungaraji guys uzobona ke a birthmark from Siphamandla's back bese yabona table lengane lena yesiba ne birthmark ke efana neyami noma ke efana neyomndeni wami. So guys, uzozama ukuthi akhulume ke noma wakhe uphindile athi hey ithi akusiyo ingane yakho le, ebese guys enza ke amazaba ukuthi enze i-DNA test, azithestele yena ke uSiphamandla ukuthi ngampela ingane yakhe noma ke akusiyona, ngoba maningi ama similarities awabona kuyena ke uSiphamandla. So yeah guys, injalo ke as a homecoming kuleli viki ezoqala. That brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share your opinion. Bye.